it's Jamie Beeler, Independent Director with 31 Gifts, and I have a brand new product to show you that goes along with our Fresh Market Thermal. So our Fresh Market Thermal is one of our tried and true family size thermals. And now it's even better because you can get the Fresh Market Thermal Organizer insert to go inside of it. So the Fresh Market Thermal is great for grocery shopping, for road trips, for packing lunches, for family for the day, or maybe for team snacks. When you unzip it open, it has so much space. But now you can fit that organizing insert right inside of it, and it adds some structure and stability to your Fresh Market Thermal, as well as 2 different compartments and a mesh pocket that you can use to organize the inside of it. It does have an antimicrobial wipeable surface on it, so if it gets dirty, you can clean it very easily. But now you can put, maybe your drinks on this side and then your food on this side so that nothing gets smashed. So I am loving this new organizer insert, and I would love to hear how you would use it. Would you use it for team snacks? Would you use it for, family road trip to pack food for? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.